This message is transmitted from the federal government. Reports from NASA have seen a giant asteroid moving directly to Earth. For now, the asteroid is currently passing Neptune. Do not panic as this is not happening yet. But its asteroid name is Asteroid Titan. This message is transmitted from the federal government. Reports from NASA. Asteroid Titan is getting closer and passing Saturn. The speed is now 1 mph per hour. If the small asteroids are pushing the rocks forward, it will make it go faster. More updates will be coming soon. This message is transmitted from the federal government. Asteroid Titan is about to pass Mars into year next. NASA calculations have calculated that the asteroid will end the world and end with a big bang. As of NASA's calculations, they are correct. When the next air scenario pops up, gather all of your loved ones because this is what we are facing for. The end of the world. This message is transmitted from the federal government. You must gather your loved ones by now. Asteroid Titan is now about to hit Earth. We asked military to shoot the missiles to the asteroid, but their calculations are they can't take it down. It's too strong. We are now sharing NASA's message. Hello everyone. This is a depressing day. That the world is ending right when the asteroid hits and, holy